Your unassuming coffee cup hides a secret superpower for instantly boosting your smartphone audio. It can instantly transform your device into a surprisingly powerful sound system, no cables needed. Your unassuming coffee cup hides a secret superpower for instantly boosting your smartphone audio. It can instantly transform your device into a surprisingly powerful sound system, no cables needed. Many people struggle with their smartphones' tiny, often tinny, built-in speakers for daily use. Watching videos or listening to music with friends usually means straining to hear dialogue clearly. Traditional external speakers often require charging, Bluetooth pairing, or carrying extra bulky accessories. Imagine finding a simple, universal solution using an item already found in nearly every home worldwide. This ingenious hack leverages basic physics principles to amplify your phone's sound output dramatically. It's an incredibly practical trick for impromptu gatherings or quiet personal listening sessions anytime. You might already possess the perfect tool for this remarkable audio upgrade without even realizing it. This clever method offers crystal clear, significantly louder sound in mere seconds, completely free. Forget fumbling with complicated settings or investing in expensive portable sound systems unnecessarily. Prepare to rethink how you interact with your smartphone's audio capabilities using this simple object. The core principle relies on directing and containing sound waves through a specific cup shape. Simply place your smartphone, speaker down, into an empty, clean ceramic or plastic drinking cup. Ensure the phone's speaker is positioned directly inside the cup's opening for optimal sound effect. The cup then acts as a natural resonator, capturing the emitted sound waves and pushing them forward. Sound waves from the speaker bounce off the cup's interior walls, intensifying the overall audio experience. This focused reflection prevents sound from dissipating widely into the surrounding air, enhancing volume. The specific shape of the cup naturally channels these reflected waves into a more concentrated auditory beam. Think of it like cupping your hands behind your ears to better hear a distant whispered conversation. But that's not the only surprising benefit this humble everyday cup provides for your essential device. Different cup materials and interior shapes will yield slightly varied acoustic results for the sound quality. A wider cup mouth might offer a broader soundstage, while a narrower cup focuses audio more intensely. Experiment with various drinking glasses, mugs, or even large plastic containers to find your ideal sound profile. This simple setup also instantly transforms your cup into a perfectly stable, hands-free phone stand. Prop your phone upright within the cup, adjusting the angle for comfortable viewing on any flat surface. This instant stand is perfect for hands-free video calls, following recipes, or watching content effortlessly. Wait until you discover how this simple everyday item tackles another common smartphone usage issue. Many users experience poor call quality or muffled audio during critical speakerphone conversations. Unfortunately, the cup hack dramatically improves speakerphone clarity by directing your voice towards the phone's microphone. Holding the phone near the cup's opening can help your voice resonate more clearly for the other person. The cup creates a small acoustic chamber, significantly reducing background noise for much clearer communication. This is especially useful in noisy environments where ambient sounds typically interfere with important calls. But there's an even more unexpected application for the cup that greatly enhances your phone's utility. Struggling to find a specific charging cable end in a dimly lit room is a universal nightly annoyance. Place your phone with the charging port facing up inside the cup, creating a makeshift light beacon. The phone's screen light reflects off the cup's interior, softly illuminating the connection area distinctly. This focused glow makes plugging in cables significantly easier during the dark nighttime hours. It completely eliminates the need to fumble around or search for a separate flashlight source. Consider using a transparent cup for this particular illumination trick to maximize light diffusion effectively. And then something truly unexpected happens with this common kitchen item and your camera lens. You can create unique, artistic photo effects simply by placing your phone inside a specific cup. The cup's rim can act as an interesting frame, adding depth or a circular vignette to your images. Experiment with different colored cups to cast subtle hues or create intriguing light reflections creatively. This offers a quick, creative way to add a distinct visual style to your smartphone photography instantly. It truly demonstrates how everyday objects can unlock surprising new creative possibilities for your versatile device. The practical possibilities extend far beyond just sound amplification, proving its truly versatile usefulness. These ingenious cup hacks offer immediate, tangible improvements for your everyday smartphone usage. You gain superior audio without purchasing expensive, specialized gadgetry or carrying extra bulky weight. The convenience of an instant, portable stand frees your hands for other essential tasks efficiently. Clearer speakerphone calls mean more effective communication with friends, family, or professional colleagues. Never again struggle with tangled cables in the dark, thanks to the cup's gentle, focused illumination. These simple, accessible tricks empower you to maximize your device's potential using readily available household items. It fosters a mindset of creative problem solving, looking beyond conventional tech solutions for everyday issues. This resourceful approach saves money, reduces electronic waste, and simplifies your daily digital interactions. Embrace the immense power of everyday objects to solve common tech frustrations effortlessly and effectively. The humble cup proves itself an indispensable, multifunctional accessory in the world of smartphone optimization. From amplifying sound to providing an impromptu stand, the ordinary cup offers extraordinary smartphone utility. If you found these ingenious tips fascinating, subscribe for more incredible hacks and creative solutions. Let me know in the comments which cup trick you're most excited to try first.